TV18 Newsbreak confirmed Advent International is all set to pump in 2,750 crore rupees into Aditya Birla Housing Finance. Let's go across to Rachna Dhanrajani, who broke this story yesterday. Rachna, how much stake will Advent hold?
Well, this does mark a CNBC-TV18 Newsbreak confirmed, and it marks one of the largest capital infusions in India's housing finance sector in recent years, that is. Now, the boards of Aditya Birla Housing Finance and its parent company, Aditya Birla Capital, have approved this proposal. The investment will be made through Indria Limited, which is an Advent entity, and the deal is structured as a primary capital infusion. Completion of the transaction is, of course, subject to shareholder approval and regulatory clearances and other customary conditions. Now, let's first understand why does this deal matter. The 2,750 crore rupee check significantly strengthens Aditya Birla Housing Finance capital adequacy and balance sheet, providing firepower to scale its loan book at a time when housing financiers are preparing for the next phase of credit growth. Now, the capital is expected to support expansion in affordable and mid-income housing segments that continue to see resilient demand driven by urbanization, infrastructure-led development and policy support. Now, housing finance companies are also under increasing focus from regulators and rating agencies to maintain stronger capital buffers and diversify liabilities. A large long-term private equity infusion not only supports growth, but it also gives a chance to enhance confidence among debt investors and bond markets. Now, this deal also comes amid a broader revival of investor interest in India's housing finance space. Over the past 24 months, that is, we've seen Shriram Finance, Warburg Pincus deal happen, we've seen Aavas and CVC deal happen. So against this backdrop, Advent's 2,750 crore rupee investment stands out as one of the biggest primary equity infusions in the company. Now, this is second only to outright acquisition or deals like Shriram Housing Finance that I mentioned. But this particular transaction is also interesting because this marks Advent's second stint with Aditya Birla Group. The global PE firm was previously an investor in the parent company, that is Aditya Birla Capital, and has since monetized parts of that exposure. Its return this time, though, is to the subsidiary is very focused, and it, of course, shows the renewed conviction that people are seeing in the sector. With this specific bet that Advent has made, things are looking up for Aditya Birla Housing Finance.
All right, Rachna, many thanks for taking us through all of those details. But with that, it is a wrap on this edition of Business Lunch. Mid-Cap Radar takes all the action forward.